and Fabio's amazing, and he just broke it down. It's funny when you have someone take the time to go through things that might be natural. What he did, we broke down the surf process into little bitty pieces that made me way more comfortable. I would have never just dove in and done that on my own.
Breaking it down and making it simpler for people is my takeaway for the day. Because we come from different places in the world and we have different things that we focused on in our paddling careers, and I'm finding that people from the East Coast or from Brazil or from New Zealand, they have different ways of doing things, and it's like, oh, I never thought of that before.
I needed to do a better job edging into the waves, and so they showed me how to get a better potty position and a better brace as I go into that, so I was able to both get on some waves and ride them a little bit, which was fantastic.
I was trying to roll the kayak and my head was coming first, so I just have to get my head last as I roll the kayak. And then the other thing is just make sure that you always watching who's around you, because it's about safety first. It's a great opportunity to get to try the equipment, make sure that everything fits right, and see the skill level of all the participants so that we can create that team spirit and be safe out there in the water while we try the kayaks. The location here in British Columbia is just perfect. The conditions, the weather has been great. Great conditions for the surf camp. The wind has been right on. Just dress warm because it can get a little colder in the water.
When you're ready to play, this boat will play. The hard shine on it, you know, because the skin on frame is absolutely fantastic. It's got great secondary stability, excellent initial stability. You put that extra rocker in there and you can really make it move around a lot.
This is the first time I meet with TRAK staff or TRAK pilot coach. They are amazing people. This progress really give me what I expected, what I want to learn for my Greenland trip. I'm so happy. I'm so satisfied. Thank you so much.
Oh, it was awesome, yeah, two parts. First part more technical, second part more endurance. Worked on a lot of the skills we picked up yesterday, and ended the morning with a bit of a rock garden exercise, some fast fun shoots, a couple of capsizes, one kayak on kayak action, and then nice lunch, and then a long endurance paddle, seeing grey whales, sea lions, hearing loony birds. And yeah, all together a good day.
I learned today getting back in my groove with a bit of paddling, but what I termed for myself micro edging. Being comfortable enough while out there in the surf and the paddling to play an edge and using the edge just to correct my course as I was cruising along. Stretched out the parts, came around the coast, found some nice little rock gardens to play in. A good day all around.
Playing in the waves, surfing, seeing what happens. Sometimes in control, sometimes not. It's always good out in the surf. I got some stoked. I had one big last one where I ended up sort of side surfing, spinning me around backwards and came around forwards again, and it was fun. Today was good.
I got some stoke. It was fantastic. First time surfing in that stuff, and it was just a lot of fun. Had a great time. Got some great coaching. Ready for some more.